Man, I've been sleeping on steel for 5 years. Car accidents, sports.
Let's talk about what's going on. It's gonna be your birthday tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And your lovely wife over here says she's gonna surprise you with a little Atl Crack.
Yeah, you'll have me walking out here like this.
No, bro, you'll be walking out here on cloud 9. You'll be floating out of here. In fact, we're gonna put wings on them, you start flying out of here. So, you've never been adjusted before.
It's my first time.
I kid around a lot. I know everybody has a little bit of sort of nervousness, they're afraid, or they're not sure what's gonna happen. I think the biggest thing I want you to understand is the reason you have all those feelings is simply because it's the fear of the unknown.
Right.
You just don't know what's gonna happen.
Right.
So tell me now, I know you said you got a lot of stuff going on, sports and sleeping and all this other stuff. What's number 1, number 2, number 3, if you had to put it in any order? Like my low back is worse, my neck is worse, my mid back, what? Tell me.
Absolutely, my low back.
Low back's number 1.
Number 1.
No question, we already got that out of the way.
It stiffens up,
Stiff.
tightens up. I can't even clean too much.
Because it hurts.
Like if I sweep or try to bend too, it tightens up. It's like somebody just grips it.
Yep.
So,
I know what that feels like.
Yeah.
That's number 1. What's number 2?
Number 2 is my shoulder.
Like up in here.
Yeah, so earlier today working, it actually felt like somebody was pinching me and it was on fire at the same time.
And there's
so I'm not sure. This is my first time actually experiencing that. So I was just like, what the hell?
Yeah, something's
But it
going
was, I come forward, did my neck.
And your neck. We got it. So we're gonna go up. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Even though you're telling me 1, 2, and 3,
Right.
I'm adjusting everything.
Okay. Yeah.
Why? It's all connected.
Yeah.
It's all connected. Now, for real, like I said, I kid around a lot, but I take this extremely serious. I don't want anyone to have a bad experience. I think you're gonna have an amazing experience. Honestly, I know you're gonna have an amazing experience. And the first couple adjustments are the ones that are probably the most unnerving because you don't know what to expect. And so I usually make them a little easier. So I do that and you're like, okay, yeah, that wasn't so bad. And then the next one, you'll be like, all right, I'm good. Now you get this sense of relief, like this man ain't gonna hurt.
Right.
You got any other questions?
No question. I'm ready to get
Head to
work.
toe. You
My
ready to
back
go?
hurt right now.
I'm sure it does.
It honestly does.
I'm sure it does.
Man.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
Nah, not at all.
See? I want you to see how it's not that bad.
Yeah, that felt good, actually.
I know it did. Did I tell you that was gonna feel?
Yeah, that was nice, man.
I told you. Felt that one in your brain.
I hear it in my ear.
I know.
Before, like you said, before you could hear it on the mic.
I know.
Yeah, so I hear the crack and everything that's going on right before it actually hits the
And just relax, good. That's number 1, I got 4 things. Number 2, I need you to start breathing, but just through your nose. Number 3, I'm gonna remind you this a couple times, keep your mouth closed and your teeth together. And the last one, most important, I told you, I want you to be aware of the things that are bothering you. I know you're aware of them. That's why you're here. You don't have 1 minute to tell me my low back is the worst. All right? Just keep relaxing. I'm gonna bring your chin up just a little bit. Before I do it, I stretch you a little so you see what it feels like. So we're gonna just keep going like this. You feel that? Mm-hmm. I need a little more from you. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more times, okay? So we'll just keep doing this to see, get that whole spine.
All right, so I did feel it shoot down my back. It shot down the center of my back.
Yo, did that surprise you? Did that surprise you? Yo, did that surprise you?
Yeah, man.
Why did it surprise you? I told you that was gonna happen.
You could feel it.
Right.
So it's like juice going through a straw.
Yep.
Until it gets to, no, that was amazing, man.
All right, so just relax here, okay? Hang in there, my man.
Oh, yo, where you at, man? I gotta give you the pill.
I'm trying to tell you. We're just warming up, bro.
That was crazy right there.
I told you we just warming up, bro.
Oh, man, that felt good, man.
Can you believe I put that fake crack in there?
Yeah.
You believe that?
You see how he
great?
finessed me?
Yeah.
He said, yeah, you feel that? No, I'm just trying to make sure it's all good. They go to pump fake.
He already knows my tricks, huh? I gotta switch it up a little bit then. Nah, right there. See that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see how his whole body is like, ooh, don't touch that. A lot of people ask me, like, why does it hurt there? Why does it hurt there? Well, there's a nerve that's telling a muscle to get tight when it's supposed to be loose. It's because it's not communicating properly. So what I do is remove that ability of the nerve to make the muscle tight. And then the muscle just gets loose without me having to massage it. Is it a bad idea to massage it? No, it's a good idea. But this is a way quicker way. This is popping that balloon. It's not letting it slowly come out, right? It's popping it. So we'll come here, good.
Oh, damn. Yo, thank you, babe. No, that was,
Thank
you. So I feel as good as it sounds, though, the release, that's a nice release. Man.
That's such a release, right?
Yeah.
Please don't try that at home, whatever you do. People want to think, people come in and say, I try to do it at home. They come in like this. They can't even move. You can mess yourself up.
We done tried so many Instagram.
Right?
Yeah, she laid on my back, stepped on it.
Nah, man, it can be like this. Let the pros do it. Just kind of pull. Not bad, right?
Nah.
Just felt like a little opening, right? Pull here. Good. There we go.
I felt that one. I felt the crap.
I know you did. Bring your chin down to your chest now. That's even better. We're gonna come over like this. Keep your head down, just like that. Keep it like that. You're good. Perfect, my man. Oh man, he's doing perfect. All right, so now as we come back, okay, let your head just kind of fall back.
Oh! Oh! Yo, you heard that? I wish you could feel it.
I wish I could feel it.
Can I stand up?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God.
You can do whatever you want to do. Yo, how was that?
That was the best.
That was money, right?
Yes.
I told you. Did I tell you you're gonna love this one?
Man, I just want to see, like, if I'm...
Just breathe. How's that breathing feeling for real?
Damn.
You ready to go play some ball, man?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you gonna meet me on the court?
Come on. No, I ain't gonna do that. No, I ain't gonna do that. You're gonna kick my
that
butt.
felt good, man.
I knew it did.
Jokes aside, man. Like,
Right?
Honestly, man, that really felt good. That was
I knew you were
nice.
gonna love that one.
Cause you know my back is the main area that needs a lot of attention.
But it was right up in this area.
Yeah.
But it still affected everything else.
Yeah. So it's like a domino effect through the whole body. So I'm trying to find the proper words so people can understand it.
Nobody's gonna understand it.
Yeah, they gotta explain.
Nobody's gonna understand it.
That was really nice.
We're gonna see what's going on. A lot of times they'll just crack just to kind of get a real release. Bend this for me just like that, and just let this relax. Just let it relax. Good. Good.
Yeah, cause your wrist messed up. Oh. Oh. The hell? Yeah. Cause how you
Hit
what the hell?
gone.
It sounded like he just snapping his fingers.
I ain't snapping nothing, man. It's your fingers. There's still something in his wrist though.
You feel a pop, man?
I gotta get it. Hang on. There we go.
What the
I couldn't give up. I'm like, I knew it was stuck in there. You trying to tell me you didn't have no problems with your wrist? How's it feel now, though?
I might start boxing. No, that feel good. Okay. But you can hear it though.
Hear it? They heard that next door. Yeah, see this one, I don't
It's
feel
a
any
little
pop.
stiffer.
Yeah, but I don't feel any popping. Not like the right one. Yeah, not bad. That's good. Hang in here, okay.
Oh.
Yo. See, you guys been watching my videos for a while, right?
Yeah, I had no knowledge of this.
Right? So like after a while, doing the same thing over and over gets boring to me. So I'm always trying to figure out how to make it look a little different. So I usually do the elbow when you're lying on your back. Now I start doing it on your stomach. That's it. There's nothing really different about it other than you being on your back or being on your stomach. But I've been doing it on the stomach now, it's just to keep it different. Hang in there, okay? There we go. Okay, good. I think it cracked before I even did it.
Yeah, I think she made a little smirk noise.
Yeah.
You've been twisted it. And
it cracked already.
Yeah.
It did it before I even had to do anything. I'm gonna put one hand here, okay? And then what I need to do is I need to roll you over, kind of like this. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Does it hurt?
No, it don't hurt.
Okay, good. Just a little tight, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I feel it really tight. So we're just gonna kind of keep rolling it.
Whoa. Yeah.
Dude. Oh my God, did he need that?
Yeah.
That was like opening up a dam of water. I mean, that thing was tight.
She think I be playing when I tell her I'm stiff, my body, my back hurt.
How'd that feel though?
That felt good, man. I'm ready to go to sleep.
I can tell. That was money.
Damn.
That was it.
Yeah.
I did all that to do that.
You heard that too. That was nice. Damn.
I did all that to get that.
People gonna be like, he always say that. That was nice. No, that shit really nice.
Think about any other areas, even though you probably feel great, there may be a little more tension left. We're gonna get the last little bit out, okay? So I'm gonna do it just like that. We're gonna go, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3.
Damn. I feel it in my back. Wow. Damn. Damn. That was the icing on the cake?
How good was that?
Damn.
Can you imagine that we still had more in there?
Yeah, that was crazy.
And it doesn't hurt. It looks weird. I know pulling on you like that, but
Oh, I gotta
just chill.
Yeah, I gotta
Just
let
chill.
it sink.
Yeah, let it sink in. Breathe.
Is that what helps with the headaches and stuff?
Oh yeah.
So I
got
shouldn't
headaches
get
too?
them as much.
You got headaches too? You
Yeah, I
didn't tell
get
me
real bad migraines.
that? You didn't tell me that. Wow. Yeah. Your neck needed it big
Dang.
time. How you feeling right now though?
I feel amazing, man.
Think back just for a minute. Do me a favor. When you originally laid down here, and I said to you, man, just get an awareness of your body. What are you feeling? And compared to now, what are you feeling?
Yes, they are.
29 years.
So I'm what you made me fix?
It's level.
It's level, man.
Level.
I really had one leg.
Yeah, one was like this.
You won't even believe it
One
when you
was
see
like
it.
this, and then
Is he gonna believe it when he sees
Yeah, I
it?
want to see.
He won't believe it.
You gotta wait till for the video.
Yeah, he won't even believe it. How was that?
Amazing, man. Like, all jokes aside, all seriousness, no cat, no kizzy, whatever y'all want to say, it's really a 10 out of 10, man. And I highly recommend it to people who's dealing with discomfort, people who never got a chiropractic stretch done. It's really amazing, man. You gotta see Dr.
Dr.O.
O.
Hey, I'm Atl Cracks with
Yeah.
Dr.O, right? Listen, we get people addicted to this crack. You know why we do that? Because good crack sells itself. This is the crack without the pipe. That's what I'm trying to say. It's ATL crack. This ain't no damn Philly crack.
Yeah.
That Philly crack.
This ain't
That
good
Philly crack is all watered down. It ain't pure crack. This is the real crack. 100%.
Yeah.
Man, I appreciate you.
I
Happy
really
birthday.
appreciate it.
Happy
Thanks,
birthday.
man.
I really appreciate you. I'm so happy you had a good experience.
Thanks,
and I appreciate
man.
your kind words.
I appreciate you.
I know
and
you're
your
gonna be.
time.
I know you're gonna feel so much
Yeah,
better.
man, look,
now we
I'm-
gotta get your wife in next.
Yeah,
She's next.
yeah. Her birthday next month.
There you go. Come on.
Uh-huh.
You know your gift now, right? At least one of them.